Illustrator AI, AI Illustrator download free Windows 10. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful vector graphics editor developed and marketed by Adobe Inc. It's widely used by graphic designers, illustrators, and artists for creating logos, icons, drawings, typography, and complex illustrations. Here's an overview of its features, known issues, fixes, pro tips, and alternatives. Features. 1. Vector graphics editing * Illustrator allows users to create and manipulate vector graphics, which can be scaled infinitely without losing quality. 2. Drawing tools * It offers a variety of drawing tools such as the pen tool, pencil tool, shape tools, and more for creating intricate designs. 3. Typography * Illustrator supports extensive typography features including text manipulation, styling, and effects. 4. Color and gradient controls * Users can work with an extensive color palette and apply gradients, patterns, and textures to their designs. 5. Image tracing * It provides tools for converting raster images into editable vector graphics. 6. Integration with Adobe Creative Cloud * Illustrator seamlessly integrates with other Adobe software like Photoshop, InDesign, and After Effects. 7. Export options * Users can export their designs in various formats including SVG, PDF, EPS, and more. Cons. 1. Steep learning curve * Illustrator can be complex for beginners, especially those new to vector graphics editing. 2. Resource intensive * It can consume significant system resources, especially when working with large files or complex designs. 3. Subscription-based model * Adobe Illustrator is available only through Adobe's Creative Cloud subscription, which may be a drawback for some users. 4. Compatibility issues * Occasionally, compatibility issues may arise when opening files created in older versions of Illustrator. Known issues and fixes. 1. Performance issues * Try optimizing your system resources by closing unnecessary applications and processes. Also, ensure your system meets the minimum hardware requirements for running Illustrator smoothly. 2. Crashing * Update Illustrator to the latest version to ensure compatibility with your operating system. You can also try resetting preferences or reinstalling Illustrator if crashes persist. 3. Font problems * If fonts are missing or not displaying correctly, make sure they are installed on your system or embed fonts when saving your files. Pro tips for getting started. 1. Learn keyboard shortcuts * Mastering keyboard shortcuts can significantly improve your workflow efficiency. 2. Practice with tutorials * Adobe offers a wealth of tutorials on their website and YouTube channels. Practice following these tutorials to learn new techniques and features. 3. Experiment with tools * Illustrator has a wide array of tools and features. Experimenting with them will help you discover new ways to create. Alternatives. 1. CorelDRAW * a popular alternative to Illustrator, especially for Windows users, offering similar features for vector graphic design. 2. Inkscape * a free and open source vector graphics editor suitable for beginners and professionals alike. 3. Affinity Designer * a powerful vector graphic design software available for both Mac OS and Windows, offering a one-time purchase option. Adobe Illustrator remains a top choice for professionals in the graphic design industry due to its extensive features and integration with other Adobe products. However, exploring alternatives can offer different perspectives and workflows based on individual preferences and needs.